Hello, welcome on my channel. I needed cable holders for the workshop and I want to show you how I did this. I'm in need of extra cable holders in the workshop. The standard cable holders do not fit, so I decided to print them on the 3D printer. I show you the steps you need to do to 3D printing without all the details, so you get an overview to start with 3D printing. You can find links for more information in the descriptions below. First step is to draw the design in a 3D CAD program. I'm using Fusion 360. It's free for non-commercial use and there are many tutorial videos on YouTube to get started. When you're happy with your design, you have to save the design as an STL file. So you still need an extra step before you can start printing. In Fusion 360 I just select File, Export, Save as STL and press Save. The 3D printer needs a G-code file. I use Ultimaker Cura to convert the STL files to G-code. This is where the 3D design is built up in layers, so the 3D printer can print a file. Precise like a normal printer, but now every piece of paper is a slide. I also added support for the part that is hanging in the air. You only have to select support in the printing settings. The G-code file has to be transferred to the memory card and then loaded into the 3D printer and start printing. The printing took about 8 hours. You now have a short overview how to start with 3D printing. The last thing you have to do is remove the supports which are used for the printing, and then your design is ready. I use double-sided foam tape to hang the cable holder to the shelf. I hope this helped to get you started on 3D printing. Enjoy! Bye bye!